Choosing the right dog breed is an important decision that should not be taken lightly. It is important to research and consider various factors before bringing a new furry friend into your home. Here are some tips to help you choose the right dog breed for you and your family. Consider your lifestyle. Different dog breeds have different needs and energy levels. If you have a busy schedule or live in a small apartment, a smaller and more low-energy breed like a Shih Tzu or a Bichon Frise may be a better fit. If you have a large backyard and enjoy outdoor activities, a larger and more energetic breed like a Labrador Retriever or a German Shepherd may be a better choice. Think about your family. If you have young children, it's important to choose a breed that is known for being good with kids. Breeds like Golden Retrievers, Labrador Retrievers, and Bull Terriers are known for being friendly and patient with children. If you live alone or have elderly family members, a smaller breed with a calmer temperament may be a better fit. Consider allergies. Some dog breeds are hypoallergenic and do not shed as much, making them a good choice for people with allergies. Breeds like Poodles, Bichon Frises, and Shih Tzus are known for being hypoallergenic. Research the breed. Before making a decision, research the breed you are interested in. Learn about their history, temperament, and common health issues. This will help you understand the breed's needs and whether they will be a good fit for your family. Meet the breed. Before making a final decision, take the time to meet the breed you are considering. This will give you a chance to see the breed's temperament and energy level in person. Ultimately, choosing the right dog breed is a personal decision that should be based on your lifestyle, family, and preferences. By considering these factors and researching the breed, you can find a perfect furry companion for you and your family. Consider your budget. Different dog breeds have different needs and costs associated with them. Some breeds may require more grooming or have specific health concerns that require additional veterinary care. Before making a decision, consider the ongoing costs associated with the breed and whether you can afford to provide for them. Consider your goals. Are you looking for a companion to join you on your morning runs or just want a loyal friend to keep you company? Some breeds are more suited for certain activities like hunting, agility, or therapy work. If you have a specific goal in mind, such as training for a marathon or providing therapy for a loved one, consider a breed that is known for being suited for these activities. Consider your living situation. Some breeds may not be well suited for living in an apartment or a small living space. If you live in a city or have limited outdoor space, consider a smaller breed or one that is known for being adaptable to smaller living spaces. Adopt, don't shop. One of the most important considerations when choosing a dog breed is to adopt, not shop. There are many dogs of different breeds in animal shelters and rescue organizations that are in need of loving homes. Adopting a dog not only saves a life, but also supports the work of organizations that are working to improve the lives of animals. In conclusion, choosing the right dog breed is an important decision that requires careful consideration of various factors. By taking the time to research, meet different breeds, and think about your lifestyle, goals and budget, you can find a perfect companion for you and your family. And don't forget, adopting a dog from a shelter can be a great way to find your new companion and make a difference in the life of an animal in need.